This is a common condition that can affect many plants. In many cases, this situation is related to iron deficiency. You may notice signs like symptoms of iron deficiency usually appear first on young leaves and may later spread to older leaves because iron is relatively immobile within plants. One of the most characteristic symptoms is intervenal chlorosis, where the leaf tissue between the veins turns yellow while the midrib and other major veins remain distinctly green. As the deficiency becomes more severe and remains untreated, the entire leaf may gradually turn yellowish-white, followed by the development of brown necrotic spots across the leaf surface. Dead tissue may also develop along the leaf margins. These symptoms can become visible even from a distance. The loss of chlorophyll and subsequent tissue damage reduce photosynthetic activity, slow plant growth, and can ultimately lower yield potential. This condition often appears when iron deficiency can become a significant problem in poorly drained soils, particularly during cool and wet growing periods. Rice is generally less sensitive to iron deficiency than many other crops. Iron availability and plant uptake are strongly influenced by soil pH and calcium carbonate content. Alkaline clay soils, especially those with a pH of 7.5 or higher and derived from limestone, can make plants more susceptible to iron deficiency. A critical iron concentration of around 2.5 milligrams per kilograms of dry plant tissue has been suggested for identifying deficiency in some crops. Iron deficiency can also be associated with increased cadmium uptake and accumulation in plants under certain soil conditions. A few natural methods that may help include applying well-decomposed animal manure, peat, compost, or other organic materials can help replenish nutrients and improve soil conditions, potentially increasing the availability of iron to plants. When the problem becomes more serious, treatments such as the following may be used. Other suggestions: to minimize the chances of this happening again, choose varieties that are more tolerant of iron deficiency when available. Use fertilizers or soil amendments containing iron when a deficiency has been confirmed. Where possible, avoid planting highly sensitive crops in strongly alkaline or limestone-rich soils. Improve field drainage and avoid excessive irrigation or prolonged waterlogging. In rice fields, maintain appropriate water levels and raise them gradually when needed rather than creating sudden changes. Avoid unnecessary limbing, as additional lime can raise soil pH and further reduce iron availability. To sum up, leaves may become yellow and wilt, while the veins remain green. As the deficiency progresses, the entire leaf can turn yellowish-white with brown necrotic spots and areas of dead tissue, developing particularly along the leaf margins. Subscribe for more tips about plant health and care.